Today, I encountered an error on Sage Business Cloud Accounting, where Sage wasn't responding to any of my actions. I'm calling it the dashboard error. It seems the dashboard keeps loading, but fails to open any menus or sections, making it look like Sage has frozen completely. As you can see on my screen, everything is stuck and my mouse clicks aren't doing anything. If you ever encounter this error, I've got a simple solution that will get you back on track. If you're stuck on the dashboard screen, scroll down to the bottom until you see My Workspace. That's the magic button. Click on it and the Workspace section will open. From here, you can continue with your business tasks. To demonstrate, I'm going to click on Create a Quote. And as you can see, the quote screen is now opening. Let's head back and try getting into the banking section by clicking on the Import Bank Statements icon. And it's working fine too. From here, you can also use the top navigation menu to perform actions. Let's try the administration menu. It opens just fine. The company menu works well. To test it, I'll go to Change Company Settings and it's opening perfectly. Previously, none of these buttons were working. Now let's see if the favorite icon is working. I'll request a profit and loss report. It opens the options. And now I'll request a report for the current year to see what happens. And there you have it. The profit and loss report is displayed. It looks like we've dodged a bullet with this easy workaround solution. As long as we stay away from the dashboard for now, we should be fine, since accessing the dashboard seems to cause everything to get stuck. So if your Sage Business Cloud accounting software is just hanging, the dashboard may be the cause. If that's the case, now you know what to do.